It's not concentrated, but I bet you there's probably more Spanish speakers in the United States than there are French speakers, even by per capita.
Oh, versus Canada, or just
yeah,
within the U.S.? Definitely within the U.S.
Like more Spanish speakers per capita than Canada has French speakers per capita.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought about transcribing your videos to different languages?
Yeah, definitely.
I think there's any.
Well, isn't there the thing that YouTube's supposed to roll out where it automatically does that, and then it matches your lips and everything?
Oh, really?
Oh, like AI would be like me being like.
Yeah, I thought they were going to do something like that.
I think they did
Spanish.
do
Yo
something
quiero
like
Taco
that.
Bell.
People got mad at me. I enabled it for like German or something like that. I don't know if it was automatic.
Only German?
It was like auto subtitles, I think, and people were like, the German subtitles are horrible. I was like, well, I'm sorry, I don't know.
I didn't write them.
But doesn't it already have an option to put subtitles in a different language? I thought that was default. That's a new thing, apparently.
Well, I don't know. But there's also like an auto dubbing service, I think, is what.
Yeah, and
Derek's
so what's
talking
the
about.
difference?
The dubbing is like it's an AI voice over your voice.
Oh, so I thought they did your voice, but like I don't know. Maybe it's something that they've been one of those like blue sky things that they want to do.
So the dubbing would be like watching Squid Games, but you were watching English.
Yeah.
Does anybody actually watch? I much prefer subtitles to dubbing. I find dubbing way more.
I find subtitles distracting. I'm just reading and I can't see what's going on.
We watched season 1 of Squid Games in English.
Yeah.
And it was very corny and tough. So we watched season 2 in Korean with English subtitles, and we much preferred that.
That's my preferred viewing experience. Because the dubbing, it's like, I know you're reading constantly with subtitles, but the dubbing, I'm like constantly spotting weird errors in the dubbing. And that's taking me out of it.
I'll give you that the dubbing is never good. It's always like the cheapest, campiest audio dubbing for sure.
It can take like a really like a cinematic masterpiece and turn it into the campiest B movie you've ever seen.
Absolutely.
It's the intern at the voice actor studio.
Is it just impossible to make it good, or does everybody cheap out?
I don't know. I think they just cheap out.
Oh, we're going to call this episode the one where they auto dub or
dubbed.
Get dubbed. There we go. Yeah.
But like, why not get like Samuel L. Jackson and like Michael Gambon to like do the voice acting, you know?
Well, that might be even more distracting though.
That's true.
If it's supposed to be some like humble clerk in an office and then it's Samuel L. Jackson's voice.
Yeah. He's like, did you return that book, MF?
Just all these motherfucking snakes in this motherfucking office.